So good morning. So today we are going to study about a new concept is called the cloud computing. So we already study about wide area network, that is nothing but internet. So in internet we need to keep track all the devices in our home like a computer or all the application programs. But in the case of cloud computing, so here look at that one figure is there. So user can just have one screen and one CPU only. So if you want to take any software or any application or any server access or any virtual desktop, we can access it via cloud computing. So cloud computing is means it is using the internet. So it is an internet based activity where all the resources are shared, not only resources, softwares, and even we can share the servers, our virtual desktop also. So this is called a cloud computing. Why it is called cloud means the delivery of computing services from a remote location. So you can move from here. For example, if you are now in UP, so here UP you need to move to Delhi or Kashmir or to Hyderabad. So no problem. You can access that cloud from anywhere. That's why it is called a cloud. So the concept of cloud can move. So like this also we can move. So there is no problem for accessing the devices from the cloud computing. So cloud computing for the better example of cloud computing means if your computer containing only 500 GB memory, so if you want to perform an operation that take minimum 1 TB or 2 TB memory, so that time we can use this cloud computing. So we can access the memory or the servers virtually. So this is the main usage of cloud computing. So cloud computings are mainly classified into three types, not three types, four types: private cloud, public cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. So private cloud means it is used for a particular company. So it is containing a private data center, it is containing a private server, private database. For that company only the data is used. Such no outside companies or outside internet or outside computers cannot access that cloud. So such a type of cloud is called a private cloud. Public means anybody can access. So here the clouds are of some multiple organizations or share the basis of host by managed by third party service provider. The better example of a public cloud is Google clouds are available, so anybody can access Google. So now one question in every time the question paper give an example of a public cloud. So example is Google cloud, Google. So community cloud means these are the clouds they used by the group of related organizations. So first one only one organization, second one public anybody can access. Community means a group of organization, related organization. For example, it's containing one college, this college containing a too many branches, so this is a related organization only. So for that all the colleges we create one cloud, that is called a community cloud. The fourth one is called hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means it adopts the both private and public cloud. So in hybrid clouds it is containing all the advantages both public cloud and private cloud. So these are the main four types of cloud computing: private cloud, public cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. So you need to draw this figure, so you need to understand what you mean by cloud computing.